What are we doing tonight?
I can't tell you. Oh.
I can't tell you.
We're gonna do some crazy stuff.
Yo! We only have a half-hour battery.
Yo.
Worst night ever.
Half-hour fun.
How's it gonna see in the dark?
That's what, Dom.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, let's go.
Hey, yeah.
My dick is not itching!
Play it again! Play it louder! Louder this time! No! Let's get the...
Ready, sir.
Are you filming? You guys ready for this?
Do it.
Kerrigan, you better do this after me. Are you filming?
Yeah. Hurry up. I only got 14 minutes.
Jesus Christ.
14 minutes, son.
Go.
You dick. You look so sick.
That's not even funny.
Wait, here comes the car, Evan. Just like that.
Do it again real quick.
No. Evan, real quick. Real quick.
I'm gonna fucking puke or something.
Just stand away from the street light. You're getting all blurry and non-pukey. Evan, it's like it's happening in Night Shot, but happening right in front of my very eyes.
Oh, get it fucking out of me.
Yo, pat his back, Kerrigan.
Nah, I'm good. Oh, fuck my life. Oh, shit.
Dude. Watch they stop the car.
Shit, they are. Shit.
Run!
Kerrigan's such a bitch.
What do you want me to do?
JK Kerrigan.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny. It's funny. Do something good. Do something good.
I can't. I can't, nigga.
Yeah, you want to show
Once upon a time.
Yeah.
Pull your pants down.
Yeah, I bet that
That'd be pretty funny.
I'm not a little girl.
You look like a little girl right there.
I'm not a little girl.
Yo, I'm a little bitch.
I'm not a little girl.
You look so goofy right there.
Spread apart, spread apart. Oh.